Hey guys, welcome back to Stack, and today I will be showing you how to fix 5003 error in Zoom. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, the very basic solution is you could just simply restart your computer. So guys, that's it. So guys, that is the most practical way. So guys, another thing is you could check if you are running the latest version of the app. So sometimes guys, if you run the outdated version, it could cause some issues. So to do this, select your profile at the top right corner, and then you will have an option over here, check for updates. So sometimes if you have an update over here, you should be able to download it up over here. Now, if it doesn't work out, guys, and you're still having problems, maybe your data is corrupted. So to do this, you could just simply go ahead and go through your settings, and then go ahead and go through the apps. And here, you could just simply scroll down and try to go for install the apps. And here, you could just simply try to find Zoom and select the Zoom workplace over here and uninstall it. And right after that, you could just simply go for Zoom and download Windows and install it back again into your computer. And from here, as you can see, you should be able to download it up and do the startup. And sometimes reinstalling the Zoom is the best way to go because this completely reset the data into your computer about Zoom. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment down below, and thanks for watching.